Want to earn from the AI boom in 2025? Here's how to get started with stellar AI training jobs. No coding required. Step 1. Understand the role. AI trainers help improve models by labeling data, answering prompts, or ranking responses. It's part-time, remote, and flexible. Step 2. Sign up on trusted platforms. Look for companies like Stellar AI, Scale AI, Remo Tasks, or Appen. Create a profile and complete any screening tests. Step 3. Get qualified. Stellar often looks for strong writing skills, attention to detail, and topic familiarity. Some roles may ask for domain expertise, finance, law, or healthcare. Step 4. Maximize your income. Take on higher-paying tasks like reinforcement learning jobs or expert review gigs. Accuracy and consistency can unlock bonuses or priority tasks. Step 5. Track your time. Use productivity tools to stay efficient and avoid burnout. Treat it like a real freelance role. And remember, AI needs human input to stay smart, and you can get paid to provide it.